Hi, babe. Um, anyways, sorry, this is impromptu. Okay, from the very first hello until the very first I do here in real life, I am so grateful. Grateful for the sacrifices that you had given and will be given soon. And yes, you are not the ideal man, but you are the person I truly love without judgments, hesitations, and conditions. Thank you for giving me the courage to go through life, even in my so called gloomy days. I am truly admire your perseverance to change a little bit of your unnecessary gestures and behaviors. Kasi dili gid na ako ganahan. Babe, you are my everything. I can't wait for the day when I can hold you close and tell you in person how much you mean to me. I will love you firstly, no matter the distance, because you are my only babe. Welcome to this 1 year anniversary and hoping for more years together. This is the first phase of our journey and hoping we can surpass all the challenges that we will go through. Once again, babe, happy anniversary. I love you so much. You always mean to me every single day, every single hour, every single minute.